was like this in 2023. It was, very short, dry. I did not even know how to take care of the hair. As you can see, I'm detangling it dry. But 2025, I transformed my hair to this. As you can see, the difference is obviously so clear. My hair is fuller and everything. So, take it back to 2023. I did not know, that some herbs could actually do a decent job. Like the way herbs transform my hair from looking like this to looking longer, bouncy, shinier. It is just beyond me, to be honest. Like, I'm just so glad that I incorporated rosemary oil, rosemary water, flaxseed gel, aloe vera gel, aloe vera oil. The list is endless. So this herb right here, rosemary, is awesome for everything hair growth. If you have any product that has rosemary in it, hop on it. So this is the rosemary oil that I used from 2023, and to be honest, this was actually a game changer. My hair became much more luscious, as you could actually see. Then I paired it with rosemary water. This combo is the powerhouse you need for your hair. So in this clip, I'll be showing you how exactly I was applying it. I applied it while on my protective style directly on my scalp, as you see me do. Ensure it is on your scalp because obviously growth starts from your scalp. Then I massage the products in. Then I go in with the rosemary oil directly on my scalp also. So why are we focusing on the scalp, you may ask? Is because virtually all growth starts from the scalp. So your scalp needs to be nourished with so many properties that will make your hair thrive. I don't forget my edges because when you're trying to grow out your hair, your edge line is also very important. Then I also go in with a leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair because cloves that I use in this mixture has drying effect, so I don't want my hair to dry and break. That is why I moisturize after each use. I use this oil and water 3 to 5 times weekly, and the result has been tremendous. So this is just when I was using the product in 2024. I was using it, and my hair became fuller, bouncier, luscious. I just knew that this was it for me. This was just it for me. So I continued the process. As you can see, these are actually like different clips showing how I use the water and oil consistently. The key word is consistency, right? Most of you have this mixture already at home, but you don't use it consistently. You use it every week, and even the every week is like once in that week or twice in a month, which is not advisable. So once you do this rosemary oil, I have a tutorial on my page, knock yourself out. The detailed tutorial on how you can make this exact oil is on my YouTube page. Check it out and do yours today. Alongside the water, I have detailed tutorial also. Even when I'm on braids like attachment and all of that, box braids, I still ensure that I use my rosemary oil. Reason being that regardless of the hairstyle you have on, your main focus is your scalp, like I earlier stated. So why not just use it regardless of your protective style? So I'm trying to show you how this oil mixture, water mixture transformed my cornrows into something that is not recognizable. So after I made my cornrows, I applied rosemary oil line by line directly on my scalp, like I've always been doing. I just ensure that it penetrates into my scalp, massage it in so that it can absorb all the nutrients from this product. You would see in the next clip how this particular mixture really made my hair grow very fast. Like within a week plus, I could see difference, and I am not even joking. Within weeks, I was seeing difference on my scalp. My hair became outgrown underneath, like you could see the undergrowth. It was just massive. So like I said, I don't forget my edges. I try to apply on my edge line because I'm trying to grow every single everything, every strand matter. So this is just, my sister massaging it into my hair strands, massaging it on my scalp, and this is how I like to apply it. I'm trying to tell you the exact way I apply it. It's not just for you to apply it and go. You need to ensure that it is being pressed into your hair strands and also massaged into your scalp. So this is what we are having. My cornrows looking all pink, all juicy, and yeah, just take a good look at it very well, so that you can actually see like the next clip and how it was being transformed outrightly. So yeah, this is the next clip. As you can see, the hair has grown. You can actually see like my hair from the roots. It is all grown. The cornrows are just looking like I've had it for like a long time. Meanwhile, I had it for a very short time, but the growth was massive. So this is the rosemary oil that I actually used. I've done like several batches of the rosemary oil, and like I said, the tutorial is on my page, and alongside the rosemary water. It is packed with vitamins suitable for hair growth. So if you are struggling with baldness, if you're struggling with stunted hair growth, if you're struggling with inconsistent progress, I would actually advise you that you should incorporate herbs into your routine. You see a whole lot of difference. It is a game changer. If anybody tells you it's a game changer, take it from them. And you've actually seen like progress videos where I have shown you how I started using them and where I'm currently at right now. My hair is just looking way healthier than it has ever been since I transitioned from relaxed to natural hair. So just take your time, soak up this video. It will really do you a lot of good. And if you want like detailed process on how to take care of your hair, you can just read through this screen caption that I put here, because aside from using rosemary oil and water, you need to have a consistent hair routine, and I have listed it on the screen. You can pause, read it, you can jot it down, whatever rocks your boat. I also have an ebook where I've explained every single thing you need to know on how to grow healthy, long, bouncy hair. It will be linked in the description box. Ensure you click the link and get yours. It's currently at 50% discount for the first 100 people, and it is well detailed. It is easy to understand, straightforward. If you're struggling to know your hair porosity and the kind of product that is suitable for your hair porosity, everything is in the ebook. The list of herbs that you can incorporate in your routine, I also have it. How to know when and how to use protein treatment, it is there. So can you see how juicy this mini braids actually looks like? This is what you can achieve when you incorporate rosemary water, rosemary oil into your routine. You will no longer have a spineless braid. You will no longer have braids that cannot just fit the aesthetic, something like that. So yeah, this is it. This is how my edges are currently looking like, and this is how my mini braids usually come out. It is looking very, very bouncy and something you can rock over and over again. So just ensure you enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about this page. We post raw content, content that will make you see progress as it is, not doctored process or whatnot, just straight from the oven. I'm your favorite hair coach, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next. Enjoy the rest of the video.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele, they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes,